These Supreme Court justices are set to hold a closed-door conference today. It's their first meeting since the leak of a draft majority opinion indicated that the High Court may overturn Roe v. Wade. Yesterday, Senate Democrats failed to advance a bill to protect abortion rights. So Scott MacFarlane is following the very latest for us and is joining us now from D.C. Good to see you this morning, Scott.
Anne-Marie, good morning to you. Congress took this largely symbolic vote on a law to codify Roe versus Wade, and as expected, it failed, raising the stakes on this imminent ruling from the High Court. No twists, no turns. It went nearly straight down party lines.
The motion is not agreed to.
The Senate blocked debate on a measure writing some federal abortion rights into law, with all Republicans.
Their extreme proposal goes way beyond codifying the status quo.
And West Virginia Democrat Joe Manchin opposing.
We should not be dividing this country further than we're already divided.
Vice President Kamala Harris presided over the vote.
And this vote clearly suggests that the Senate is not where the majority of Americans are on this issue.
Inside, House Democrats crossed the Capitol chanting.
My decision.
And outside. So what do you do next?
Well, next we just start campaigning like crazy.
I think it needs to be a drumbeat.
Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker says Democrats in his own party are not sounding the alarm loud enough leading into the midterm elections. His state of Illinois is now surrounded by 5 states that are set to restrict or completely end access to abortion if Roe v. Wade is struck down by the High Court, as anticipated.
We need to be talking about this, making sure that voters know about this from now through November, and frankly, as long as it takes.
As crowds continue to gather near some of the justices' homes, state and local law enforcement agencies are issuing awareness reports that demonstrations may become flashpoints for violence with little to no warning. The governors of Maryland and Virginia have asked the Justice Department to help provide extra security outside the homes of Supreme Court justices. In the meantime, on Saturday, abortion rights groups rally at the Washington Monument just across the street from the White House to continue to have their voices heard. Anne-Marie?
Yeah, I think they're going to be there for a while, maybe until we hear the final decision from the court. Listen, as you pointed out, Democrats knew that this law to codify Roe v. Wade was not going to pass, right? They just wanted to make sure that they had every senator on the record about where they stood. So then moving forward, how are they going to leverage the result of yesterday's vote?
Yeah, the Senate Majority Leader said he was trying to use a floodlight politically to shine a light on where everybody in the Senate stands on abortion rights, conceivably with the idea that he would promote those votes and those stances as part of the midterm electioning. At this point, this has been an election cycle that's been so very dominated by economic issues, by inflation, gas prices, grocery prices, by things that are of retail importance to Americans' budgets. There is this effort by Democrats to try to leverage this vote to return the electorate to its passion over the issue of abortion rights. There are about 5 or 6 months for them to do so, but it really hasn't moved the meter in the last week and a half since that draft opinion was released, indicating the High Court is poised to overturn Roe versus Wade. Hasn't moved the meter, according to our CBS News polling, which shows a majority of respondents said this would not make them more likely and is not likely to impact their vote. We'll see if yesterday in that long debate and that vote changed things.
Yeah, we will see. Scott, thank you very much.